In this video, we learn how to multiply above base and below base numbers when there are differences also in the bases. 9997 has its base 10,000, 104 has its base 100. Take out the difference by dividing these two numbers and it would come 100. Now, see 9997 is 3 less than its base of 10,000. Write down 3. 104 is 4 above than its base 100. Now write 9997 and add 4 in it and multiply it by the difference of the base, which is 100 we have taken. Or you can do it through other way also. Write down 104 and multiply this by 100 because we have found out the base difference of 100 only, and subtract 3 from this. If we solve both the conditions, both the equations, we will have the same result, that is 10397. Now take the product of these two numbers and it would come minus 12. Now we have to check how many zeros are there in lower base. 100 is the lower base and in 100 there are only 2 zeros. So product should also come in 2 digits. So 12 is a 2-digit number, so which is perfectly fine. But we won't write minus 12 as per Vedic maths rule. We write minus sign above as a bar. So write 12 and put bar on both the numbers, on 2 and on 1 also. Now we will apply Vinculum method to remove these bars. 10 minus 2 is 8, 9 minus 1 is 8, and take the predecessor of the other digits. 10397. Subtract 1 to get the predecessor. Our answer is 1039688. Viewers who has not watched our Vinculum method, please click on the I button to go through that particular video. Let's take one more example. 99989 multiply by 107. Here 99989 has its base 1 lakh and 107 has its base 100. Divide so that we should get the base difference, and the base difference has found out 1000. 99989 is 11 less than its base 1 lakh and 107 is 7 above than its base 100. Write down 99989 and add 7 in it, and now multiply this by 1000 because the difference of the base is 1000. So multiply this by 1000, or do it through other way also. Write 107. Now multiply this with the basis difference, and the base difference is 1000, so multiply by 1000 and subtract this 11. If we solve both the equations, we will have the same result, that is 106989. Take the product of these two numbers, it will come minus 77. Now check how many zeros are there in lower base. Lower base is 100 and there are 2 zeros in base 100, and we have found out minus 77, which is a 2-digit number. So write down 7 bar 7 bar. To remove these bars, apply Vinculum method. Please click on the I button to watch the Vinculum method to remove the bars. So let's apply. 10 minus 7 is 3, write 3. 9 minus 7 is 2, write 2. Take the predecessor of the other digit, which is 1069888. Write down 106988823 is the answer. If you like this video, do subscribe to our channel and also click on the bell icon to get updated with Sago Education.